Let me ask you something important. Everywhere you look online, people are talking about AI trading tools, AI bots, AI indicators, AI signals, and AI predictors, all promising to make trading easier, faster, and more profitable. But here's the real question. Which AI trading tools actually work? Which ones are useful? And which ones are just well-marketed scams? In this video, I'm going to break down the best AI trading tools not based on hype, but based on how professional traders actually use them. You'll learn what AI trading tools really do, the different categories of AI tools, which tools help analysis, execution, and risk management, which tools beginners should use, which tools advanced traders rely on, and most importantly, how to avoid AI trading traps. This is a realistic, no-hype guide to AI trading tools. Section 1: What best AI trading tools really means. Before we talk about specific tools, we need to clarify something. The best AI trading tool is not the one that promises the highest returns. The best AI trading tools are the ones that improve decision quality, reduce emotional mistakes, increase consistency, support proper risk management. AI tools do not replace trading skill. They enhance it. Professional traders don't look for tools that predict the market. They look for tools that improve probabilities and execution. So as we go through this list, remember this. AI is a support system, not a substitute for discipline. Section 2: Main categories of AI trading tools. All AI trading tools fall into 5 major categories. Understanding these categories will instantly protect you from scams. 1. AI market analysis tools. 2. AI trading bots and automation tools. 3. AI risk management tools. 4. AI sentiment and news analysis tools. 5. AI strategy development and optimization tools. We'll go through each one carefully. Section 3: Best AI market analysis tools. 1. AI-powered charting and pattern tools. These tools analyze market structure, trends and ranges, volatility, price behavior across timeframes. Examples of useful AI-style tools: trading views, AI-enhanced indicators, pattern recognition indicators, volatility and regime detection tools. What makes these tools valuable is that they highlight context, not predictions. They help answer questions like: is the market trending or ranging? Is volatility expanding or contracting? Is this environment favorable for my strategy? 2. AI indicators used correctly. AI indicators can filter bad trades, confirm conditions, improve timing. But here are the rules. Never use AI indicators alone. Professional traders use them as confirmation tools, not entry triggers. The best AI indicators: adapt to market conditions, reduce noise, adjust thresholds dynamically. Section 4: Best AI trading bots and automation tools. This is the most misunderstood area of AI trading. The truth about AI trading bots. Most retail traders think AI bots predict the market, trade perfectly, print money automatically. This is false. Good AI bots do one thing well: execute rules consistently. When AI trading bots are useful. AI bots are useful when you already have a proven strategy. Your rules are clearly defined. You struggle with discipline. You want consistency in execution. They are not useful when you don't understand trading. You rely on signals blindly. You over-leverage. You chase unrealistic returns. Types of useful AI bots. 1. Rule-based bots with AI optimization. 2. Semi-automated trade managers. 3. Execution bots, entry plus exit only. Professional traders often use bots for execution, not decision-making. Section 5: Best AI risk management tools. This is the most important section, and most people ignore it. Why AI risk tools matter more than AI signals. You can be wrong often and still be profitable. You cannot mismanage risk and survive long-term. AI risk tools help with dynamic position sizing, volatility-based stop placement, drawdown control, exposure limits. Examples of AI risk tool usage. AI can reduce position size during high volatility, pause trading after consecutive losses, limit risk during news events, Adjust stop-loss distances dynamically. This is where AI gives traders a massive edge. Section 6. Best AI Sentiment and News Tools. Markets don't move only because of charts. They move because of expectations and sentiment. AI sentiment tools analyze news headlines, central bank language, market positioning, macro narratives. These tools help traders avoid trading against strong sentiment. They don't tell you when to buy or sell. They tell you when not to trade. Section 7. AI Strategy Development and Optimization Tools. Advanced traders use AI to backtest strategies, optimize parameters, detect overfitting, stress test ideas. These tools answer questions like: does this strategy survive different market conditions? Is this edge real or random? How does it perform during drawdowns? This is how professionals build confidence. Section 8. Best AI Tools for beginnersvs Advanced Traders. For beginners: AI indicators, risk calculators, trade journaling tools, market condition filters. For advanced traders: custom ML models, execution bots, portfolio-level risk systems, sentiment analytics. The biggest mistake beginners make is starting with automation instead of understanding. Section 9. How to avoid AI trading scams. Red flags: guaranteed profits, no drawdowns shown, no explanation of strategy, hidden risk settings, unrealistic backtests. If a tool promises certainty, hides risk, avoids transparency, it's not AI. It's marketing. Section 10. The smart way to use AI trading tools. Here's the professional framework. 1. Human defines the strategy. 2. AI assist with analysis. 3. AI improves execution. 4. AI enforces risk rules. 5. Human reviews performance. This is how institutions trade. Final conclusion. Let me leave you with this truth. The best AI trading tools do not predict markets, do not remove risk, do not replace discipline. They improve consistency, objectivity, speed, risk control. AI will not make a bad trader profitable, but it can make a disciplined trader far more consistent. The future of trading is not fully automated. It is human intelligence enhanced by artificial intelligence. If you want tool comparisons, real trading setups using AI plus smart money concepts, step-by-step AI trading workflows, subscribe and trade smarter, not harder.